कंपाइलेशन वीडियो ऑफ टुडेज करंट अफेयर्स। सबसे पहला टॉपिक है इसमें इंडिया यूएस ट्रेड रिलेशंस द रेसिप्रोकल टैरिफ डील। अभी आपका जीएस पेपर 2 में आ जाता है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बायलैटरल रिलेशंस एंड ऑल्सो देयर आर टॉपिक्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू जीएस पेपर 3 इकोनॉमी ऑल्सो। की हाईलाइट्स क्या है? टैरिफ रिडक्शन हुआ है। द यूएस एंड इंडिया हैव अग्रीड टू रिड्यूस द रेसिप्रोकल टैरिफ्स on made in India products from a high of 50% to 80%. The oil pivot. As a part of the deal, India has reportedly agreed to stop buying Russian oil and will instead increase imports from US and potentially Venezuela. Exclusions की अगर हम बात करें तो Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has clarified that the deal excludes sensitive sectors like the agriculture and dairy products to protect the domestic farmers. Economic impact क्या है on the markets? सबसे पहले rupee has jumped 1.2% to around 90.32 per dollar, and the Nifty has rose by around 2.5%. Sectors expected to benefit: labor-intensive export sectors like the textiles, gems and jewelry, electronics and pharma also. अब मेंस एनालिसिस की अगर हम बात करें इस एस्पेक्ट में तो स्ट्रेटेजिक ऑटोनॉमी वर्सेस द प्रैग्मेटिज्म. This is important. Ending Russian oil imports marks a major shift in India's strategic autonomy, stance maintained since 2022 Ukraine conflict. It suggests a prioritizing of the US economic partnership to counter Chinese manufacturing dominance. Trade barriers की अगर हम बात करें तो the deal addresses non-tariff barriers, aiming for zero barrier trade in specific sectors which have been a long-standing US demand. Fiscal federalism and 16th Finance Commission. The South Indian grievance. Tamil Nadu case, despite a slight increase in its share, like from 4.079% in the 15th Finance Commission to 4.097 in the 16th Finance Commission, the state argues that the increase is marginal, around 0.44%, and does not reflect its industrial contribution or penalty it faces for effective population control. The cess and surcharge issues. The centre's divisible pool shared with the state is shrinking because the centre increasingly collects revenue through the cesses and surcharges which are not shared with the states. Cesses or surcharges which have risen from around 5.7% to roughly 11% of the gross tax revenue. What is the data point which is being highlighted? That the states like Kerala saw a 23.74% in their share, while the Tamil Nadu growth was the lowest among the southern states. So key argument ये है that the use of per capita GSDP as a weightage factor often punishes the performing states. अब ये जो पर कैपिटा GSDP वेटेज फैक्टर है ये क्या है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा डिटेल स्टडी कर लीजिएगा आप. Environment and conservation, turtle trials and wetlands. The Olive Ridley controversy, budget proposal. Union budget 2026 to 27 has proposed turtle trails for ecotourism in Odisha, like the Gahirmata, Rushikolia, Karnataka and Kerala. Conservationist का concern क्या है इसमें? That experts argue that the mass nesting sites Aribadas are highly sensitive, and tourism introduces the light pollution, disorienting the hatchlings and anthropogenic pressure on the fragile beach ecosystem. Wetland management की अगर बात की जाए तो there are discussions on the pragmatic versus the bureaucratic approach. There is a need to shift from projects to watershed scale governance to prevent the wetlands from becoming the land banks of the real estate. Next है आपका science and technology, space sector and adaptive testing. So this is basically the last slide of the day. इसमें आपका टॉपिक है, this is based on space budget. The Death Valley Challenge. While the budget is 5.3% higher than the pre-pandemic levels, the industry bodies like the ISPS, SIA India are disappointed over the lack of GST rationalization and dedicated production linked incentive for the space grade components. Structural issues क्या है इसमें? Sector remains ISRO-centric and private players struggle with high cost of debt and lack of critical infrastructure status. Next है आपका computerized adaptive testing CAT. So IIT Council का proposal रहा है moving the JEE Advanced towards adaptive testing mechanism. Unlike linear test, adaptive testing change the difficulty of the next question based on whether the previous answer was correct or not. Benefit क्या है? More precise measurement of a candidate's ability reduces the luck factor in the multiple choice formats. This is the last topic. सोशल इश्यूज़ में आ जाता है ट्राइबल प्रोटेस्ट इन द महाराष्ट्र. आपका सोशल एम्पावरमेंट एंड GS पेपर 2 में गवर्नेंस में आ जाएगा. इशू क्या है? थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ट्राइबल्स हैव मार्च फ्रॉम नासिक टू मुंबई रिगार्डिंग द फॉरेस्ट राइट्स एक्ट 2006. डिमांड्स क्या है इनकी? ग्रांट ऑफ लैंड ओनरशिप टाइटल्स, मैनी क्लेम्स रिमेन रिजेक्टेड और पेंडिंग. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ PESA, that is Panchayat Extension to Scheduled Areas Act, and diversion of west flowing rivers to drought prone tribal regions in the Nashik or Palghar. So that's all for the day. Here I end my analysis. Thank you and have a nice day. I request you to like, subscribe and share my channel.